Here is our 2021 registered 71 plate Mercedes Burford. This vehicle has covered just 7,919 miles from new and is in absolutely excellent condition. The Mercedes chassis is a 4100 kilo chassis, so you do need the C1 on your license to drive this, but that gives you a great payload of 650 kilograms. Here we are now inside the cab, and really beautiful cab on the Mercedes, plenty of space, and the new Mercedes Sprinter chassis. This is complete with the 7-speed paddle shift automatic, developing 163 brake horsepower. Really beautiful engine to drive. If we pull back further into the habitation area, you can see that behind the passenger and driver seats you've got the two bench seats. Lovely comfortable lounge area. These can also be used as two single beds by turning around the front seats, or alternatively you can pull the two benches together to make a really nice double bed. As you can see, plenty of storage above. We've actually got 4 overhead cabinets here, and on this side we've got a further 2 overhead cabinets. If we now look from the lounge into the kitchen area, you can see here that you've got a full kitchen, as with all auto-sleepers. So you've got a full-size oven, a full-size grill, 4-burner hob consisting of 3 gas and 1 electric. You've got your extractor fan, and on this side here you've got your microwave, you've got your fridge below that, freezer at the top and fridge at the bottom, but again great storage area. In the little cabinet here you've got your freestanding table, which of course can either be used inside in between the seating when you're eating inside the van, or of course you can use it outside with the barbecue point, etc. You can also see here you've got the habitation air conditioning. This is connected to the heating system, so it will blow hot and cold, so you can actually use it as habitation climate control if you wish. As we now go into the bedroom, you can see with the Burford here you've got this lovely double bed. Again, further storage above, and if I just lift the bed up, you can see here plenty of storage underneath, and that is accessed by the outside door there if you want to come in from the outside, or of course you can lift the bed up. Also in the bedroom area here you've got this lovely storage, mirror and further storage to give you that lovely vanity area. And again, a real benefit in the Burford is you get this huge wardrobe and drawer area. And if I open this up, you can actually see this is probably one of the largest wardrobes, if not the largest wardrobe in any motorhome. Absolutely brilliant hanging space and storage space. Below that you've got the 4 drawers, and in here you've got the booster for your TV aerial and the 5G Wi-Fi, as this vehicle is equipped with 5G ready Wi-Fi. You can see you've got additional TV point there if required, as well as in the front of the van. And then if we go through to the bathroom area, you can see here good sized toilet area. You've got additional storage underneath there, under the basin and the mirror. And then you've got this lovely big shower area here, separate shower of course, so a totally separate showering area, but again a lovely van. So if we go back through into the van now, this van is available at the current moment. So if it's something you may be interested in, if you'd like to call either myself or Tim at Derby Motorhomes on 01332 360 222, and we'll help you the very, very best we can. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.